Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 28th of February 2017. Okay guys, I was talking about Great Britain Pound JPY in the morning. As you know that I have already profited from a sell position in the morning. So I have taken another trade on Great Britain Pound JPY, and you can see that I'm on a trend chart of Great Britain Pound JPY. So I have told you in the morning that we have received a sell signal right from 27th of January, and the market was going down. Okay, one important fact about the today analysis was that look at here. The hourly candle was closed below the dotted blue line, which was a clear signal that you can sell this pair more. So I have taken a sell position, and you can see a profit according to it here. Okay, the next trade on Great Britain Pound USD, and the same thing that I have talked about in the morning. You know that I have taken a sell position, and I have already explained you how to take a sell position in this way. So I have taken another sell position. The market rebounds a bit up, then it touched the blue boundary, and then again we have received the sell signal from the scalper. I'm just going to share you people from here. Okay, now look at here. Below the blue zone we have received a sell signal, and you can see a very significant downfall on Great Britain Pound USD. And if we talk about the overall analysis of the day, then we can say that Great Britain Pound USD is down according to the signals report. Okay, the next thing is on USD CHF here. Guys, we have a loss here. As you know that when I was making the video during the midday, then I have told you that the market was basically rebounding back from that area on that time, but it has made a bearish pin on that time. This candle shows you that this candle on this candle we can say that the market has failed to catch more buyers, and then we have seen a sudden downfall. So basically I have just closed my trade on the smaller profit, and then I sorry, that was the pair that it was traded in the morning. Sorry, you know that I have taken a buy position in the morning, and I have already profited on USD CHF, but here it has given a loss because I can say that no trading system is working right now on USD CHF. It's quite confused, and you need to stay away from it. And I was quite bullish according to the signal report, so maybe this could be possible in the next few hours. It could make a bullish pattern, because you know the market is already in the lower red boundary, which is the oversold condition of the market. Okay, what else? And the last trade, USD JPY. So guys, I had a bearish expectation for Great Britain USD JPY. We have received a sell signal right from here. Right from the morning we have received a sell signal, and the market was going down. Scalping was also on. You can say that hourly candle was closed below the dotted blue line. Look, the market has went more down. Similarly, we have seen a upward momentum on 27th of February. The market entered into the upper right boundary, and you know that upper right boundary stands for taking your sell positions. So guys, now be careful, because the market is already in the lower red boundary, so we can expect some bullish trend on USD JPY. Anyhow, I'm just going to take you to the signals report for today, so I can show you that what my signals were. Euro USD, guys, if we talk about the full day trading, we have a lot of hours still. You can say that there's still 16 hours to go with these signals. Euro USD bearish, New Zealand USD bullish expectations were for the day. Great Britain Pound USD bearish, USD JPY bearish, Australian dollar USD bullish, USD CHF bullish, and USD Canadian dollar bullish, and Great Britain Pound JPY bearish. So guys, my signals are based on full day trading, and they stay valid for longer hours, and that is the reason my signals are traded all over the world in different time zones, even if these are traded in US. So guys, if you want to subscribe to my Forex signal service, if you want to get this powerful trading system, if you want to get the Forex video lessons, or request for live coaching, for all this you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please find this email in the description of the video below. Do subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos, and share my work with others. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Best of luck.